The concept of creating your own reality layer is a fascinating aspect of reality transurfing, an approach that allows individuals to navigate through life's infinite possibilities. This personal reality layer is essentially a space where you can live by your own rules, free from the influence of external pendulums and societal expectations. It's about constructing a reality that aligns with your innermost desires and intentions. Here's an in-depth look at how you can create and nurture your own reality layer. Your reality layer is a personal bubble of experience that you create and control. It's a mental and emotional space where your values, beliefs, and desires are the primary forces shaping your life. To define your reality layer, start by identifying what is truly important to you. What are your core values? What brings you joy and fulfillment? By answering these questions, you can begin to outline the boundaries of your reality layer, cultivating your desires. Within your reality layer, your desires take center stage. It's important to cultivate these desires by giving them attention and energy. Visualize your goals and aspirations as if they are already part of your reality. This visualization process helps solidify your desires within your reality layer, making them more tangible and achievable. Setting personal boundaries. To maintain the integrity of your reality layer, you must set personal boundaries. These boundaries protect your space from external influences that could disrupt your intentions. Learn to say no to situations and interactions that do not resonate with your personal reality. By doing so, you preserve the purity of your reality layer. Practicing creative visualization. Creative visualization is a key technique in reality transurfing. It involves vividly imagining your desired reality as if it's already happening. Engage all your senses in this process: hear, feel, and even taste the reality you wish to create. The more detailed your visualization, the stronger your reality layer becomes. Engaging in intentional action. While visualization is crucial, it must be paired with intentional action. Take steps that move you closer to your desired reality. These actions reinforce your reality layer and demonstrate your commitment to your intentions. Living authentically. Ultimately, creating your own reality layer is about living authentically. It's a commitment to being true to yourself and your vision for your life. When you live authentically, your reality layer becomes a reflection of your essence, a space where you can thrive and manifest your deepest intentions. By following these steps, you can construct a reality layer that serves as a sanctuary for your aspirations and a foundation for your journey through the space of variations. It's a personal endeavor that requires dedication and self-awareness. But the rewards are a life lived on your own terms, in harmony with your true self.